Today is October 23rd, 2025. Here is the latest update on SoundHound AI stock, ticker SON, trading on Nasdaq. The stock recently closed at $17.76, showing a modest gain of about 1.07% from the previous close of $17.59. The trading range for the day was between $17.75 and $18.06, indicating a slight upward momentum. SoundHound AI is currently valued at around $7.3 billion in market capitalization. The company's stock price has seen considerable growth in recent years, with a 52-week low near $4.97 and a high approaching $24.98. Despite the growth potential, the company is still operating at a loss with an earnings per share around minus 0.68, reflecting ongoing investments in technology and expansion. Analysts currently give SoundHound a moderate buy rating, with price targets ranging up to $26, indicating optimism about the company's future in voice AI technology. For trading strategy, given the moderate upward movement and the high volatility in the stock, it is advisable to watch for pullbacks toward the 50-day moving average, currently around $15.89, as potential entry points. Using stop-loss orders just below recent support levels near $17 can help mitigate downside risk. For risk-averse traders, option strategies like protective puts may be appropriate to shield against sudden drops, while more aggressive traders might take advantage of short-term rallies. In summary, SoundHound AI is showing signs of steady growth as of October 23, 2025, but remains a volatile stock with risks typical of emerging tech companies. A balanced trading approach with focus on risk management is recommended. This completes the latest update and strategy for SON stock today.